the integral of x squared e to the 2x dx. So my first instinct is to try a u substitution because I have an x squared and a 2x that both show up in the integrand. So if I let u be x squared, then du dx is 2x, which means that dx is du over 2x. And this becomes the integral of u times e to the 2x times dx, which is du over 2x, and nothing cancels. So either this was a bad choice of u, or u substitution just isn't going to work. So we're going to start over and try something else. Okay, let's try by parts because this is a product. X squared times e to the 2x dx. So I have to pick a u and a dv. And I want to choose dv to be the most complicated piece of the integrand that I can still take an antiderivative of. So an exponential is a more complicated function than a quadratic. So I'm going to have dv be e to the 2x dx and u be x squared. So that makes du equal to 2x dx and v equal to 1/2 e to the 2x. And then my integral is u times v minus the integral of v du. U times v is going to be 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus the integral of v times du. So my 1/2 and my 2 will cancel, and I just get x e to the 2x dx. Now, this integral that remains, I have to do by parts on again. So let's see, I have to choose a u and a dv. I'm going to let dv be e to the 2x again, and u be x. So that means du equals dx, and v equals 1/2 e to the 2x. Okay, so in my next line, I'm going to copy this. So I still have 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus. Now I'm putting a big bracket because I'm working on this integral right here. And it's going to have, its formula is u times v minus the integral of v times du. And I need to make sure that I put brackets so that I distribute this negative sign. Okay, 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus u times v is 1/2 x e to the 2x minus the integral of v times du. That's 1/2 e to the 2x dx. Distributing my negative sign and integrating the last integral, I get 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus 1/2 x e to the 2x plus, all right, the antiderivative of e to the 2x is 1/2 e to the 2x, but I already have a 1/2 there, so it's going to become a 1/4 e to the 2x plus c.